Hey everyone, so today I am making basil dressing. You'll need sea salt, extra virgin olive oil, 2 cups of basil leaves, and 1 juice of a lemon, and 1 garlic clove. First, let's add the basil leaves into the blender. Now I'm going to mince the garlic into the blender. Now take the extra virgin olive oil and sprinkle about 1 tablespoon into the blender. Now take the lemon and squeeze its juice into the blender. Now it's time to blend. I sometimes use a spoon to mix in the basil leaves because my blender is not high powered. So that's what I'm doing right now. Also add some water if you're having a hard time blending. Usually you should do like 1/4 cup of water or less, give or take how do you want your consistency to come out. Now sprinkle in a little bit of sea salt to taste. Blend a little bit more. After it's mixed, it's time to pour it into your mason jar.